these recipes really can customize to you
You
and
get
where
to do
you
whatever
are at.
you want.
Yeah, and Shay really likes to do that.
I do.
It's very important to her. She gets defiant.
I do.
Even practiced before.
I know.
You guys.
I'm so excited for this recipe.
Me too. This is going to be good.
This is a sweet treat that you can keep in the freezer to have any time. You can make it patriotic. We kind of are. I didn't like purposefully do that, but I feel like this is such an awesome treat to bring to like a 4th of July barbecue. It would be so fun. Or just to have any time. You could even make it like Christmas themed. I don't know. You could do like lots of fun things with this recipe.
And lots of protein.
I was just gonna say it's high in protein. It has lots of good fruits in it. It's really good. This is like one of my favorite things ever.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. I haven't had it before, but I do love me some yogurt with strawberries.
Yep.
Granola, the whole thing.
Yep. So we're doing yogurt berry bark. And you know what's so cute? It can be B-E-R-R-Y or B-A-R-Y.
Oh, we could do that.
Yeah, we could do
the berry bark.
We could do whatever we want.
Our berry bark.
Yeah, and this is so easy, you guys. This is like a really easy recipe. So all we're gonna do is we have we have vanilla Greek yogurt.
Yep.
I love the Oiko's 000, but you can use whatever kind you want. We're gonna, we have a tray with some wax paper, and we're gonna just spread it out.
Yeah, it's your regular old cookie sheet.
Yep, regular old
Nothing
cookie sheet, nothing fancy. And Mel and I are gonna make ours a little different. It's kind of like making a pizza, sort of. Like you get to kind of customize it and do what you want with it. And so we have some fun toppings we're gonna do. So,
all right,
let's get to it.
So how do we? I'm gonna put like the whole thing.
I was gonna just see about how much like half is, and see. We're essentially we want it to be thick enough.
Okay.
On here.
I think I saw the recipe said like a 1 inch, right? Is that what you said?
Yeah, like 1 inch.
Which 1 inch is actually bigger than you all think.
Yeah.
You know.
So yeah, you can just open and do your own, and we go through this yogurt like it's going out of style, so.
And yogurt has more benefits than just protein too. Like there's so many micronutrients in this.
You get probiotics, some have prebiotics. I don't know if this one has both. You also get calcium.
Women, take your calcium, eat your calcium, whatever you can do it.
Yep.
Because I already know people that are having problems.
No, it's true.
Yep.
And strength training helps with that, just saying.
Women are supposed to do 2 things, calcium and strength training.
So I'm just gonna kind of do a layer and spread it out.
What I did learn from cooking stuff is exactly what you're doing is right, where you just put it in the middle and then you move it around.
And then you spread it out.
Yeah. All the YouTube cooking videos I've watched.
Dude, there's so much helpful things out there. Yeah, if you want to add even more protein, you could even put protein powder in here, stir it up, and then that would give you more protein if you want to. But I don't really want to do that for mine, but there's lots of ways to add more stuff if you want to.
Yeah, she likes to make it to where it's very customizable, so just know that.
And this is a really fun recipe if you have kids. This is a really fun recipe you can make with kids because it's like pretty easy to do. You don't have to worry about them like burning themselves on anything, and it can really be like where they foster their creativity. And so hands-on learning.
It's very important for kids. Yeah.
So this is where our artistic abilities get to come out and shine.
Okay.
So I'm probably gonna do some cut up strawberries, some cut up blueberries. You could just leave it at that, and that would be very patriotic.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna also add some drizzled peanut butter. I'm gonna add some chocolate chips.
She's going all in.
I'm going all out.
Yeah.
But I know you don't love peanut butter on things like this because it overpowers the flavor. Totally respect that.
Appreciate that.
So what are you gonna put on yours? I have other stuff too. You could put granola. You could put whatever you want on it. Do you have an idea?
I don't. I really want at least the strawberries and blueberries.
Yeah, definitely.
So my brain was thinking like I should have gloves, but it's fine.
I do have gloves if you want any.
Yeah, we're good.
We washed your hands.
I did. We washed your hand. She helped me.
I did. I was like,
she sure did.
Here you go.
I just noticed like I will play more in food when I have gloves.
Yeah.
I don't know why that is.
Well, maybe because it might be a sensory thing too. Like, I don't like touching like raw chicken and stuff.
Oh, no.
So like gloves are helpful, yeah.
Yeah, I keep a stack of gloves underneath my sink because of really just chicken. That's the main one that it doesn't even have to.
It's creepy.
It doesn't matter what kind of chicken, whether it's chicken wings, like thighs, whatever. I need gloves.
Do some blueberries next. You can use the rest of the strawberries too if you want to. And if you have like frozen fruit, you can do frozen fruit.
I was actually going to ask you that because I have a bunch in my fridge right now.
Yep, you can totally do that. I just had fresh, and I do feel like it kind of sticks to the yogurt a little better when it's fresh, but it doesn't have to be.
That's fair.
You want to use the rest?
Nope.
Okay, I'll use the rest.
Nope, I have enough.
I have enough.
I have all of it.
Okay, then I'm gonna do a little peanut butter drizzle. So I just microwaved this for just a few seconds so it got kind of nice and drizzly.
You know, for the longest time, I didn't know how they did that. I was like, how are they able to drizzle like caramel? Like, well, actually, caramel's a dumb one. I know how to do that. But like, trying to like melt things down. I never thought about, oh yeah, you can just melt shit down and then you can spread it.
And then it makes it drizzly.
Yep.
Look at how pretty, isn't that fun?
It does.
You can even melt down the chocolate chips and do it this way.
Yeah.
I was just gonna I have little mini chocolate chips, so I was just gonna do that. But
no, I'm keeping mine very patriotic.
Yes, I love it.
It's just gonna be red and blue with the vanilla stuff.
I love it. And yeah, it's fun though how much you can customize this. You can do different yogurt flavors. You can do like, you can do lots of different things. All right, chocolate chip time. Do you want to do the honors first?
I'm not gonna put any on.
You're not gonna do any chocolate chip? Ooh, you're gonna just do your berry-tastic.
Yes, 100%.
Like
Look at you, getting all of it.
I love chocolate chips. I just love chocolate.
I love chocolate too. I know we're making chocolate chip cookies, and we're gonna be making chocolate chip muffins. So I will keep this non. Okay,
keep it a little bit less chocolatey since we're gonna be doing other chocolatey stuff.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have that self-control.
Well, 10 years in the making.
That's
You literally, I would say around like year 5 or 6, you start actually doing that where you're like, okay, let's be reasonable here. Like if I'm gonna be a bariatric, well, I'll always be a bariatric patient, but if I'm gonna like practice what I'm preaching, like here's the thing, is like we need to really look at what we're eating and separate. We don't need to have chocolate on all the things. Like really, like I was telling Shay before we started, was the cheese. I don't need cheese on everything, but I need cheese on the things that make sense.
That you really like. Yeah. I get that.
So.
All right, so look at how pretty they look, our masterpieces.
Well, bam.
We're gonna just pop them in the freezer, probably let them freeze overnight. And then tomorrow what we'll do is we'll take them out and we'll break them up. You can use a fork to break them up. You can use like a spatula. You can use a hammer, I guess, if you want to.
A knife,
just go for it safely. And then it creates like these little bark pieces and you just put them in a freezer safe bag and put them in the freezer, and then anytime you want kind of like a little sweet cold treat, you just go and get some bark and have at it.
I'm excited to try this tomorrow because if it tastes the way I think it's gonna taste, then I'm gonna have this like once a night.
Yeah, and it's fun. You could have it like where you break it up in little pieces and like do little bites with it. It's just very, very customizable. So let us know if you give this recipe a try. It's really good. I'm excited for you to try it tomorrow.
It's gonna be magically delicious.
Ooh, I like that. We are back with our
bark.
I'm so excited. So these were in the freezer overnight. I let them thaw maybe for like 10 minutes or so. And so now we get to break them apart. We have our pre-labeled bags here.
That's right.
And we're gonna just break them apart and put them in. So it's been a while since I've made this, so I don't remember the previous method, but I think I'm gonna try almost like the ice pick method and use like a knife, kind of do it, and we'll see.
Okay, and then, I don't want to.
Oh, see, it's almost gotten a little soft now, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, or maybe we can break it and then kind of thaw it out. Or we do it that way. Well, that's another way to do it.
That's a way. That's a way. Here, I'm gonna actually peel.
You're gonna do the peely method?
Well, first I'm gonna peel off the wax
Smart.
paper. Because I got to watch you and realize let's not
do it that way. Oh, there you go. See, you should have taught me how to do it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Whatever.
There we go. Isn't that fun though?
That is. I like
you
doing
just
it.
put them in there and see, but it's cool when you have like some big pieces, some little ones. Got them right up it.
Got it.
That's so good. You should just try a little bit with the peanut butter just to see what you think. Your one is safe for the dog.
Why is yours not safe? Oh, you got the little chocolates.
Yeah, the dogs can all eat yours if it falls.
There we go.
Alright, here it is. I'm gonna go get it in the freezer because it is kind of melting quickly. So that could be kind of a mess. Did you get to try a little bit of yours too?
I had like a couple.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, because it is really good. I like the creaminess.
Yeah. So let us know if you guys try it. It's a good one.